Online PR. What is online PR? Online PR, also known as digital PR, is a form of digital marketing that involves securing publicity and media coverage for a brand, product, or service on various online platforms. These platforms include digital publications, blogs, and other content-related websites. The main objective of online PR is to generate awareness, increase website traffic, and ultimately attract potential customers and conversions. To maximize the effectiveness of online PR efforts, there are several channels and strategies that marketers can utilize. One approach is to connect with reporters and journalists on social media platforms to build relationships and pitch relevant stories or content related to their brand or industry. Engaging user reviews and responding to comments can also humanize the brand and generate productive conversations. Companies can either handle online PR in-house or hire a PR firm to manage their public relations activities. Additionally, there are third-party services and tools available to help with press release distribution and content dissemination. Platforms like PR.com and PR Newswire allow businesses to submit press releases, which may get picked up by other news agencies, leading to increased visibility. Aggregator websites are another useful tool for online PR. These websites collect and distribute relevant content, including articles and news stories, to their target audiences. By submitting content to aggregator sites, businesses can reach a wider audience and gain exposure. In conclusion, online PR plays a crucial role in digital marketing by helping businesses gain publicity and visibility on various online platforms. Through targeted strategies and the use of relevant tools, brands can effectively engage with their audiences and create a positive image that drives traffic and conversions. Search engine marketing tools. 1. SEMrush, a comprehensive SEO platform that provides keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink analysis, site auditing, and more. 2. Google Search Console, a free tool by Google that allows website owners to monitor and optimize their site's presence in Google search results. 3. Google Keyword Planner, part of Google Ads. This tool helps advertisers find relevant keywords for their campaigns, but it's also useful for SEO keyword research. 4. Moz, a freemium SEO tool that offers features like keyword research, site audits, backlink analysis, and competitor research. Screaming Frog, a paid tool that crawls websites to identify technical SEO issues and provides valuable insights into site structure and indexing. 5. Ahrefs, primarily known for its off-page SEO capabilities, Ahrefs helps analyze backlinks, competitor backlink profiles, and performs comprehensive site audits. The main reasons to use these SEO tools include finding relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition, understanding how search engines crawl and index your site, checking sitemap format, monitoring backlinks, analyzing linking to your web pages, and performing competitor analysis. SEO tools are essential for improving your website's visibility in search engines and optimizing your content to rank higher in search results. They provide valuable data and insights that can guide your SEO strategy and improve your overall online presence. Email marketing tools. Email marketing tools are essential for businesses and marketers to manage their email campaigns effectively. Some popular email marketing tools include 1. MailChimp. MailChimp is a widely used email marketing platform that offers a user-friendly interface, email templates, automation, analytics, and A/B testing. It has a freemium version with upgrade options for more features. 2. Marketo. Marketo is a comprehensive marketing automation tool that enables businesses to nurture leads throughout the sales funnel with features like drip campaigns, lead scoring, and advanced analytics. 3. HubSpot. HubSpot provides a full suite of marketing tools, including email marketing, social media, landing pages, and lead management. It offers automation and analytics for tracking campaign performance. 4. Sendinblue. Sendinblue is an email marketing platform that also offers SMS marketing and marketing automation. It provides email templates, contact management, and reporting features. 5. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is designed for bloggers and content creators, offering features like segmentation, automation, and customizable opt-in forms. 6. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a popular email marketing platform with a wide range of templates and automation features. It also integrates with various other tools for a comprehensive marketing solution. 7. Vertical Response. Vertical Response offers email marketing, social media, and event marketing tools to help businesses engage with their audience effectively. 8. Emma. Emma is an email marketing platform that focuses on small and medium-sized businesses, offering features like automation, personalization, and reporting. These tools can help you manage your email lists, create engaging email campaigns, track performance metrics, and automate processes, leading to more effective communication with your audience and improved conversion rates. Remember to choose a tool that aligns with your specific business needs and budget. Here are some key features and functions of email marketing tools. One. Email campaign creation. These tools allow users to design visually appealing and professional-looking email campaigns. They often provide drag-and-drop editors, customizable templates, and various elements like images, buttons, and text blocks to create engaging content. 2. List management. Managing email lists is crucial for successful email marketing. Email marketing tools enable users to import, segment, and maintain their contact lists. Segmentation allows you to group subscribers based on specific criteria, ensuring you can send relevant content to different audience segments. 3. Automation. Email marketing tools often provide automation features, allowing users to set up automated email sequences based on triggers or user actions. This automation helps in nurturing leads, welcoming new subscribers, and sending targeted content based on subscriber behavior. 4. Personalization. Personalized emails have a higher chance of engaging recipients. Email marketing tools allow you to personalize emails by inserting subscribers' names, using dynamic content, or tailoring messages based on subscriber preferences and behavior. 5. A/B testing. To optimize email campaign performance, these tools offer A/B testing capabilities. You can create different versions of your emails, subject lines, or content and test which variation performs better with your audience. 7. Reporting and analytics. Email marketing tools provide detailed insights and analytics about the performance of your campaigns. You can track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other important statistics to evaluate the success of your efforts. 8. Compliance and deliverability. Reputable email marketing tools adhere to email deliverability best practices to ensure that your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes and not their spam folders. They also help you comply with anti-spam laws, like the Can-Spam Act in the United States or GDPR in Europe. 9. Integrations. Many email marketing tools offer integrations with other marketing platforms, CRM systems, and e-commerce platforms. This helps streamline data exchange and enhances the overall marketing workflow. The choice of the tool depends on your specific needs, budget, and the scale of your email marketing campaigns. In summary, email marketing tools empower businesses to effectively communicate with their audience, deliver targeted content, and track the performance of their email campaigns to drive engagement and ultimately achieve their marketing goals.